I'm in Roi Et city, which is a city in Thailand, more specifically the Isaan area of Thailand, the northeastern part. And today I'm at a shop called Tum Kratoey. It means, Kratoey means Ladyboy, and I'm sure they called it that because they have a lot of them working here. I've been seeing them running around and serving us all day, and I've heard that the food is amazing. So today I've ordered Pla Pao, which is a grilled tilapia, and it's salt encrusted. It's served with 3 different kinds of sauces and also some noodles called Cuisine. It's also served with a lot of vegetables and of course a side of sticky rice. Holy shit, that looks good. Oh yeah. And over here you can see the different sauces. This is a sort of peanut sweet sauce, which can remind you of the summer roll type of sauce that you can get at Vietnamese restaurants. This is more of a sauce with a lot of chili, I think, and lime, some sugar, I guess. And this is really spicy planin or Pla Pao sauce. Right now I'll show you how to assemble the Pla Pao. So first you take like some cabbage. I think this is Chinese cabbage, and you take a bit of fish, and make sure that you try to omit the bones because there are a lot of bones in this fish. So after you put the fish inside its little wrap, then you can go ahead and put some noodles. Just put them over there. And you have a lot of herbs. I think this is this is coriander or cilantro. This fits perfectly with this this type of dish. And just an assortment of vegetables. I'll probably write it down in the description somewhere what this is because I can't remember it. And of course some lettuce. So after you've assembled your Pla Pao, you have to dish it up with some sauces. So first the super spicy chili sauce, which you can just ladle on there, and some of the, I call it the sweet and sour. And lastly the peanut sauce. Alright, let's taste test this, shall we? You gotta be careful because it's completely stuffed. Those peanuts in there, fantastic. Ooh, and it's really spicy as well. You can taste the combination of the fishiness of the fishiness from the fish. It combines really well with the, especially this sauce right here. And the noodles give for a perfect texture as well. Just look at those ant eggs in the fish stew. Well, hopefully it's going to be delicious. Everything else looks super good though. So now I'm going to go for the ant egg fish soup or stew. I've had some bad experiences with the ant eggs before. I was coerced into drinking with some local friends in Pontong, and they thought it would be funny to give the white foreigner a spoonful of these ant eggs with, of course, with a shot of whiskey to wash it down. Alright, so let's try it. Right now I'm going to, I fished out a few of them, so I'll just go for it. They are much better in the soup or stew than they are by themselves. I can tell you that much. But yeah, the soup, like if you don't think about the ant eggs, it's really delicious soup with a lot of lemongrass flavor, and it's very very salty and very very delicious.